Picked up this boat about a month ago or so. Pulled some stuff off that I wanted off of it. Now it is time to crush it up and throw it in the dump trailer. Get rid of it. Motor is out, outdrive is out, fuel tank is still there, so I will work around the fuel tank to pull it out. But other than that, the rest of everything is just trash. This is the gimbal housing I removed, which goes right there. Time to make this boat disappear. I'm gonna attempt to rip this boat apart without breaking all the windows and everything, because I don't want to do it with glass, but it might be impossible. Right now I'm just going to cut the rest of this wiring out so it's not connected to everything, and then I should be able to just pull this whole piece off and then smash it up into the trailer without breaking all this glass everywhere. Now that I have the wiring completely disconnected and removed, I can remove this whole section of boat and throw it into the dump trailer. now that I have the fuel tank removed and sitting right here, I can finish ripping this boat apart without having to worry about puncturing the gas tank. as you can see, there is no more boat. Just a big mess, and it's really dusty out here, and the water pressure here sucks. My water trailer is empty, so I'm gonna have to use the fire truck water. So I'm gonna turn that on, let it warm up for a second, run the hose out here, soak everything down. All right, let's start this thing up. This is my 1984 GMC 7000. Make sure it's in neutral. Running. Let's pull the hose out. It's up here. We'll run it out there, and then we will get all the pumps turned on. I'm only going to run the hose to here because the pressure should reach all the way out there. To engage the pump, we press the clutch in, make sure it's in neutral, flip the PTO down, and then we push over to 5th gear, release, and now we're in pump. And we pull this, open the hose reel, turn the idle up. We're done. Just back down. Pump in. Hose reel's off. We will roll the hose back in by pushing this button. Sometimes it's a little finicky. Back into neutral, PTO off, and then kill it. Now I'm gonna bring the skid steer over here with the bucket, and I'm gonna rake everything up into the bucket, get all the aluminum separated, and throw everything that's trash into the dump trailer. So the reason we're getting rid of this boat is it was sitting for 10 years, and all of the water from the rain sat in the front of this boat and soaked up all of the foam. So this stuff's really heavy, and it's just trash now. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I just have a little bit of cleanup left, and then I can head to the dump. See you on the next one.